Ready? So, good day, Mr. Matibag. Welcome to Mimosa Agency. I am Hernandez Janela. Today, we're conducting the final interview to know if you're compatible for the job. So, during the interview, you could just loosen up and chill. First, tell me about yourself.
First, just wanted to say thank you for the opportunity. Well, if I consider myself as a motivated and well-driven individual because throughout my college journey as a marketing graduate, I've been deeply involved in both academic projects and internships that allowed me to apply my learning in real-world scenarios. Well, I am passionate about as being a digital marketer as well as being a social media handler management. Since during my time at university, I joined on several organizations or clubs that related to my passion as a marketing, which I found myself interest. So that's why I look up forward of being a marketing strategy for a organization that I have joined, and I have seen my determination of joining on different clubs.
Okay, so it says here that with your resume that you are a graduate of marketing management. Then the question is, why do you want to work with our company?
So the reason why I have want to work with your company is based on the research that I have found on the Masa agency is that your innovative approach to marketing, especially how you leverage data to craft personalized campaigns. I want to work for a company that pushes their employees' boundaries and encourages creativity as a marketing, which is what I see in your brand. So that's why I am excited to bring my skills to your team and be part of a company that is shaping the future of marketing.
Okay, so next, what tools or software are you proficient in?
Okay, so at the time that I tried to join in different organizations, I used to be a PIO or Public Information Officer, where I'm the one who creates PubMed and digital creation. So that's why I have discovered this app Canva, which is a usage friendly to among us students. At the same time, I'm also proficient on the use of Adobe Photoshop and Figma, where this is the usual app that I always use in regards of creating designs and PubMed. As well as I am also a handler of Facebook page, which is I am also proficient on the use of different social media apps. Aside from that, I've worked with tools like Excel for data analysis and presentation software such as PowerPoint to create marketing reports.
Okay, so moving on, how do you ensure quality and accuracy with your work?
So first thing first, I ensure quality by double checking my work. Yes, and utilizing feedback loops in regards to the work that I have done. I set clear milestones, review progress regularly, and pay close attention to each of the details. So for accuracy, I rely on my data. I do some cross-checking resources and results to ensure that everything aligns with the project goals that I have oriented. And also, I find that collaborating with peers or my coworkers employee for a second set of eyes will improve the final output of my work.
Okay. If ever you were hired and faced this problem, how would you manage it? Like, if you were assigned in a project with no clear instructions, how would you proceed?
So first thing first, I would first gather as much information as I can by asking clarifying questions. Yes. So if resources or people aren't available for guidance or on the certain questions that I will ask on them, I would rely on my research skills, which I am the one who will rely on my skills. I will taking inspiration from similar projects and as well as best practices in the industry. From there, I would learn to create a draft plan for myself and share it with my manager for feedback before moving forward.
So, next is, how would you approach a situation where your team is underperforming?
Okay, so I usually experience this kind of work of underperforming since I've been used into an organization of group of individuals. So first thing first that I usually do in this kind of scenario is that I would start by understanding the root cause of the underperformance of my team. Because it is a lack of resources, unclear goals, or perhaps miscommunication. So much better if we're going to do an individual communication task for us to be able to know the root of the problem. And as well, I would encourage open dialogue with the team to address the issue. And at the time, I will suggest breaking the task into smaller, more manageable goals. So also motivating the team by recognizing small wins along the way could help boost morale and productivity of the team.
Okay. Now I want to know if how do you work as part of the team?
I see teamwork as essential to achieving success. I believe in open communication, being a good listener, and as well as contributing ideas by also being receptive for feedback. I make sure everyone feels heard and involved on an organization. And I strive to maintain a positive attitude of relationship even when challenges arise. My role in a team has often been to coordinate efforts and ensure that everyone is aligned on our shared goals.
Then what kind of work environment do you thrive in?
So I am looking for a positive environment that thrive this environment that are collaborative, dynamic, and supportive of personal growth, which help us to be better on ourselves. A place where creativity is encouraged and there is a room for innovation that really excites me. And I also appreciate structure and clear communication space. But I value a workplace where I am trusted to take ownership of my project.
Okay. Then why would we hire you?
So, as a freshman graduate of marketing degree, I bring a unique combination of theoretical knowledge and a strong eagerness to learn and adapt. I am equipped with the latest marketing as a graduate techniques, and I have been demonstrated my ability to apply this in practical settings. Since during my internship, I have gained learned and knowledgeable during my experiences. And I am highly motivated and have a fresh perspective that I will believe will contribute positively to your company's marketing efforts.
Okay. Lastly, what is your salary expectations?
Well, as a recent graduate, I am looking for an opportunity that allows me to grow and develop my skills as well. I am open to discussing a fair compensation package based on industry standards and minimum wage and the value I can bring to the company, equivalent to the work that I offered. And I am more focused on finding the right fit where I can contribute and learn. So basically, I am flexible on salary expectations.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Matibag, for your cooperation and lending Mimosa Company a time. We'll let you know through text if you're hired. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay. So, good morning, Ms. Janela. I am Kyle Joshua D. Matibag. I'm the one who will interview you. So, attachment from your resume, it says here that your name is Ms. Janela Marie R. Hernandez, and you are graduated from National University with a marketing degree. So, for this session, I'm going to ask you some several questions in related to positions that you are applying for, and we will start on tell me about yourself.
Good day, Mr. Matibag. You can call me Janela. I am 22 years old, holding a bachelor's degree in marketing management. I currently reside in Binangonan, Rizal, and I am known for my cheerful and adaptable personality, which allows me to work effectively and harmoniously with others. I am highly flexible, quick to learn through instructions, and adept at managing my time efficiently. In addition to my strong communication skills is my attention to detail and problem-solving abilities, which have enabled me to handle complex tasks with precision. As we speak, I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to join Bench Philippines and contribute to the company's success.
Okay, thank you. So for the next question is, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
When discussing with my strengths, I would highlight my adaptability. It allows me to take on various roles to ensure the success of a project. My ability to adapt is complemented by strong communication and time management skills. This combination enables me to effectively lead a team or support a leader, as clear communication is crucial for project success. Regarding my weaknesses naman, I would rather mention that I tend to be a perfectionist, which means I can be overly critical of details. However, this trait ensures that I produce polished and high quality work. Additionally, I am highly attuned to emotional sensitivity, particularly in interactions with others.
So, okay, so what tools or software are you proficient in?
During my time as a student, I developed a strong proficiency in Microsoft Word and Excel, utilizing these tools extensively for various academic activities. The skills that I learned can be effectively applied to my administrative and professional tasks. Additionally, I have gained substantial experience with Canva, a user-friendly tool for creating visual content and marketing materials.
So, how do you stay up to date with industry trends?
In the past, I have effectively managed my student life balance by efficiently organizing my time between academic tasks and professional commitments. As I transition into the professional world, I recognize the importance of maintaining a strong work-life balance to stay current with industry trends and adapt to evolving demands.
So, if ever you got hired and if you were assigned to a certain project with no clear instructions, how would you proceed?
Hmm. Utilizing my problem-solving skills, the first step I would take is to seek clarification on the project's goals and objectives. This ensures that I align my efforts with the project's intended outcome and avoid any missteps. Following this, I would develop a detailed project plan. Having a structured plan provides clear direction for each step the team needs to take and help ensures that we stay focused and organized throughout the project.
So, how would you approach a situation where your team is underperforming?
Mm. An underperforming team often indicates issues with harmony and communication. If I were faced with this situation, I would take the initiative to address these challenges. I would leverage my communication skills to foster better collaboration and understanding among team members. This would involve facilitating open discussions, addressing any conflicts, and ensuring that everyone is aligned with the team goals and expectation. By improving communication and promoting a cohesive team environment, I aim to enhance overall performance and productivity.
So, what kind of work environment do you thrive in?
I am committed to fostering a positive work environment, as I believe it is the fundamental to achieving high quality work and building healthy relationships among employees. As I believe a supportive and collaborative atmosphere enhances overall productivity.
So, next, how do you handle feedback and criticism?
Hmm. I always approach feedback and criticism positively, recognizing that it provides valuable opportunities for personal and professional growth. By acknowledging and reflecting on the feedback, I can make meaningful improvements and enhance the quality of my work. This proactive approach helps me continuously refine my skills and contribute more effectively to achieving better outcomes.
So, proceeding to the last two questions. So, this one is, why should we hire you?
Uh, I believe my skill sets aligns closely with the company's values and goals. My background in marketing management has equipped me with the expertise needed to drive valuable outcomes for various projects. given the opportunity to join your team, I am confident that my experience and skills will contribute positively to the company's success. I am particularly excited about the prospect of growing together with Bench Philippines and leveraging my marketing skills to support and advance your objectives.
Okay, so last is, what are your salary expectations?
Taking into consideration how well my skills and experience matches the role, I expect to negotiate at the top level of your budget. That is all.
Okay, again, Ms. Janela, I am Kyle Joshua de la Cruz Matibag, your interviewee, and thank you for your time and consideration of this interview, and we will contact you once you have been hired.
Thank you, sir.